I got myself an LTT screwdriver. So yes, I got myself an LTT screwdriver. So link to the description where you'll find all the products, well, the two products I'm going to show you. So yes, this is from LTT. It's a ratcheting screwdriver. I can't remember the price I paid for it, but it was a lot. But when you pay for quality and fineness, and you're going to pay for and you have a screwdriver for the rest of your life, I always believe in you pay once, and that's all you pay for. So yes, so this is a screwdriver here. It feels solid. I know it took them a while. So how my order story time. I ordered a screwdriver as soon as it was available. It was a waiting system, Wave they did it in, and I got an email saying, "Oh, I see you got your LTT screwdriver." I'm thinking, how is it reviewed? I'm thinking, I never got it. So I sent a ticket to the support team back in Canada, and I said I didn't get it. They says, "Can you track it?" And said, "Oh yeah, we can't find it out there." So this is what they did. They sent me another one. Well, obviously, I paid for it. But it says, "We'll give you a free gift." I'm thinking, what do you mean? And I said, "Oh, you can like get bits of it." So what I got was I got a wee bit holder. So that was like a compensation for it. So that's nice. So what you get in the box is you get this, and you get all the bits for it. So this bit has a movable thing for it. I said, "Oh, that's cool." So yeah, and then you get like this piece of paper stating what it is. So that's what that was pretty cool. So yeah, so we'll get this loaded up and we'll get going. So hang on. So you get, well, so all different sizes. So I'll have a wee picture of what you get in this one. So I'll get this loaded up. So yeah, that's all. So I think it took them like 3 years to make this screwdriver or something. It was like something crazy like that. I have no idea. It was like Faf did a whole video about it. If you really want to know this screwdriver, there is I'll have a link up here or a description. I have no idea where YouTube puts stuff now, honestly. I can't remember. And the guy asks, the person who does this, if you really want to learn how this works, like if you're a screwdriver nerd and all that, which there are people out there who get really into this. I'm I'm just an average person here. I come down to the average level of screwdriving. Basically, does it work? Does it screw? Yes, that's fine. Not too bad. And basically, he goes over the whole mechanics. If you really want to learn this work, watch the video, please, because I did a whole thing about it. I actually watched all of it, and it was really interesting. So yeah, so it's got this magnet here, which I have overhead on. But it's okay. So it's got this magnet. So and like a roll as well. Lovely. Cool. So yeah, so that's it. Not much in the box. Nice packaging. I do like the packaging. Yeah, 12 bits. So I'm not going to tell you how ratchet it works. So basically, you can unscrew it, and nice. It's like got this nut on here, which I like. Yeah, this computer is. I'll have to get this computer up and running. But I have no idea what the specs are. Probably need a whole new motherboard. And the case is in good shape, so if you want me to to a build in this case. I will do one, but I'll need part for it. So, this is a ratchet. What happens if you go to Tesco's? Now, I saw this in Tesco's. Now, if you're from the States, that's our shopping centre we have in the UK. So, or wherever. So, and basically it has the same idea. It has like a wee bit holder, screwing bit, and it goes in, and it has a ratchet screwdriver as well. I wouldn't say it is as fine as this LTT screwdriver, but for the job, for jobs like that, it's fine. But I wouldn't say it's very fine. It's actually not that good. So not as fine as this one. I don't think. Like it's got like this wee bit here. Zoom in. And this one's got like a really, feels like really tough. So this list beside my desk now. Why is always needing this screwdriver? I use it pretty much every day. Now it also got a magnet, so screw it and no, this even this. So basically that's 1, 2, 3, no crap over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws there, and this is I've got a mounting unit, so that's not used. So the magnet is basically for like, so you know when you drop screws like in the power supply or trying to get into the case, or you have to, there's always when you build a computer, there's always one that drops in the case. This one for like picking that one up and go, done. So it does actually have a magnet function. Where is it? So hold on. Oh yeah, that's a magnet in it. So it's got a magnet in the shaft and it's got an actual extender, so yeah, that's 4 lens. Wow, that's quite full. So that's it. You probably can pick up all. Well, that's more. So yes, now should you go and buy this? That's the question you need to ask yourself, because it was expensive. But if you're going to use it every day, then it's like an iFixit kit. I would believe the investment's there. You pay. This is the thing you pay for once, and you never pay for again, because there's lifetime warranty. There is stuff in the warranty that you need to make sure you follow if you do have to go down that route. But do you really need this? I'm going to let you decide if you want it or not. Now, if you want to support a contents creator, like I did, obviously I paid for this. He didn't send this out to me. I paid for it, and I want to support him in some way, and I get a product out of it. So, like, you can buy this awesome shirt from wherever this is. It's in the description. Yes, I learned from how you advertise your own stuff. So
Links to description with your friends is awesome. Now on a job platform, you can load up products, loads of stuff there. And some of the and a small fee, well, that small fee goes to me. So as I was saying, should you go off and buy this? That's the question you need to ask yourself. I think it's a good screwdriver. It's like any other screwdriver, but it doesn't. It has everything I want, so I'm going to leave it to that. So before I start repeating myself, I'm going to get going. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.